Here's a quick tip. If you're going to redo a surface and you want to make sure that you don't have any old data in there, navigate to the surface. This one I'm doing proposed grade definition contours. Click on contours, and then at the bottom you can see what data is already in that surface. So you can just right click on that, hit delete, and now this surface, you didn't delete the surface is still there, but there's no data in it. Now we can just select the data again, right click, add, hit OK, and it's going to rebuild that surface. You can see that if I turn on the CZ proposed 10 surface, it's there, and then I can do the volume and rebuild that, and then that's done too. Rebuild, rebuild. Yep, and that's it.